The final pudding. Alright, you can put them in.
Wait, no. Please, no, please. I don't want to get it. Please,
Jesus, can you shut up?
please.
Oh, shut up!
What the?
I'll put the chair in there. Okay.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
no, please.
Put the X-ray. Alright, I got the X-ray. Okay, so let's put it.
I think there's something wrong. I gotta get out.
Alright, wait, is that cello? Oh, no. Oh.
Oh, God. Come on, let me barge in out.
So, when that's it, I'm gonna go.
Alright, this computer system.
Look here. Okay, then. Move things back, like, yeah, that's good.
Hold on, we will look again, look up. Hold on, what?
Wait, what?
Huh, that's amazing. Hold on a sec.
Share that and copy. Not copy, I mean. And play that. Oh, God. Copy and paste.
Just the buttons. Black hate child me. This is not working. Nothing's gonna work.
I guess
You are fairly.
What the?
Think, Orange. You need the power.
Don't listen to them. Do this.
Blues method is great.
Maybe blues were gonna work.
Paste that.
Anyways, I'm gonna go. So right there and that. That's a location. Okay. You guys gonna take him?
Huh?
We're gonna take him. Or a boss.
Hold on, I wanna pause him.
Take that. You can go good now. Only a good mission. Put him in.
Alright, boss,
Okay.
you got it.
We ready to go?
Hey, open the gate.
Wait, go.
Oh, come on.
Which way we go?
Let's shut
up. Let's go straight.
Oh, there's
Anyways,
Are we going to get
Oh,
caught?
Red, shut up. No.
Where'd you go?
I'm going straight.
Huh, let's go here.
No, there. Red, I said here.
Oh, guys,
Stop fighting. Ouch.
Huh?
I think there's somebody up there called my gang.
Guys,
That's
that's
a stupid idea. We gotta go do it.
Yeah,
We gotta pick it up.
Shut up.
There's somebody up
Alright,
here.
so
We
let's
gotta
find
find them. Wonder who are they?
Wow. Hey, I'm flying.
I really don't care. Good. He's still.
Let's find this location.
Where are your locations? Oh, there is it.
Hey, victim, is there?
Alright.
There's something tickling me. That's why I'm dreaming? Meow.
Or where's the... Yeah, that's it. Oh, that is dirty. Clean this up. Plug the cable. So I really don't understand this. So I said, let's go here. Whole black paint.
Meow.
Oh, that looks great.
Boom. Bow. They call me Ninja Red.
That one is not gonna work.
Wrong again? Oh, find me, peanut.
Sure, Mr. Red.
Hey, gay, that ain't fair. It definitely smells like poop, bro.
What are these?
Nobody's around, okay.
Oh, there's definitely somebody. Oh,
Well, never mind, let's go this way.
oh, there's a door.
Open it.
Let's wait.
I'm open the door.
Hold on, stop. Alright, let's go straight. And then
I think there's Giggity here.
what's behind me?
There's Giggity. There's Giggity.
You are a failure. How many times this can take? I guess not. I'm ready, gang. Alright then. And do that. Let's see his footage. Oh, he dum dum dum. Interesting. My fellas are gone. What do I do in this computer system? Maybe I go to my wife and ask her a baby. Never mind. They're taking long. Where are they? Ooh, Tata, help Majid. Ooh, I'm not gonna. No, touchy, sir. Hey, what did you say to me? Cookie game. I'm Spider-Man. Shut up, me boy. What is called? No. Oh, frick. Weave. Desert, take this. This one looks trash. Oh, yeah. Oh, them bullshit. Is he still there? Oh, my back. How did I miss that? Take this, dude. Haha, I'm blocking it. Use a fairy. Bam! Alright, that's it, Mr. Mom Boy.
Izzy, I have the tiger.
Fuck. Come here, gang. Come on, let's go do kablow. Oh, damn.
Oh, you're a scaredy cat.
Then, bam, bam, boop, beep, boop, beep. That dishwasher. Wow. This.
Forget launch.
Hey, me boy. Oh, my. Bow. Dance.